Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson with RE/MAX and welcome to 7409 Morley Drive in beautiful Burnaby, British Columbia. We are in the prestigious Buckingham Heights. Offered at $250,000 below assessed value, this stunning custom designed home is brand new and also includes a 2-bedroom basement suite for a mortgage helper. Come on inside. This house is over 6,000 square feet, nestled on a lot which is almost 12,000 square feet. There are no neighbors to the east and a huge green space at the back. It is going to be permanently available for outdoor sports for the kids and the young adults. Party bar, beside a huge in-house projection theater, 3 individual custom fireplaces, full home automation through a Control4 system. And a 15-foot nano patio door which opens to a large outdoor kitchen complete with cooking facilities, fridge, bar, burner, and much more.